Would you like to tame a parrot?
I would love a parrot.
And then they can sit on your shoulder?
I would love that so much. I'm gonna cry. I would love a parrot.
Oh, you're so cute! Okay. Wow. Did you know you can tame two? You can tame two parrots, and then they can ride on each shoulder.
I'm so excited. I want them to sit on my shoulder.
Oh, we got. Wait, do you have name tags?
No.
If not, we can go get some name tags first.
Not gonna move an inch.
Are you getting tired? Are you sure you want to tame parrots? We can always stop.
I want a parrot.
Are you sure?
I want a parrot.
I worry about you, Mumei.
I want a parrot. I want a parrot. I want a parrot.
She wants
I don't
parrot.
want to study. I want a parrot. I want a parrot.
Oh no! Oh no!